Whoa! Ah! I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you back.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
Oh.
Get you back.
Come over here.
Welcome to our video. Today we're gonna make a snowman and we're gonna throw snowballs. Yeah! Yeah! Gonna get you, Logie. Logie. You mom. Sorry, Mom. Your snowman didn't look perfect. We need rolls. Where are you?
I am full already.
What do you want to make over here?
Wow, Nintendo, you're full of flowers.
Just the door.
Dad. Yeah. Hey!
I thought that you said you girls want to build a snowman.
We are, but Daddy's coming me with snowballs. This looks like a perfect circle. No, we gotta flatten it up.
I think we need a little more.
Do you want to build a snowman?
I have to build a snowman. No! Bianca, we got to make the snowman's body. Do you want to build a snowman? Make his body? Yeah, look, I covered your feet. I already made something.
We're going to make only one.
No, we're gonna make lots of them.
One.
Oopsies.
Hey, over here.
Sorry.
What are you doing? You're not making it.
Yeah. Hey, that's
Push all the way up.
¿Cuánto? Digo, con una bola de todo. Yo tampoco.
You never made a snowman?
I
No,
never
me
made one.
either.
I did it when we were little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're too little.
Yeah. Well, our big sister did it. Us.
Very close.
These are not. Actually, guys,
Wait.
we gotta
No,
make the
wait.
snow. We need to make the
Push
snow.
this. I'm going to make a sticky lemon right now.
We're just
Well,
gonna
isn't it
push.
supposed to be a ball?
Ah,
3 balls.
Alexander, what are you doing?
I'm making it smooth.
Oh, okay. So we go like this.
Nice snow.
Okay. We're gonna make it like all of cold because we wanted to come outside. Okay.
Make the second layer. Second layer. I'm gonna run in the snow. Run, run, run. Run in the snow. Gonna get you, Mom.
How's that?
The ball, and then it'll be a.
You want to use this?
No.
Yeah! Get you.
Hey. Leave the hat on. That's mommy's snowman. Where's the rocks that daddy gave you?
What is that?
That's a snowman.
The snowman.
Leave that.
That's a lazy.
Looks melted.
With a hat.
That is that. We need his rocks. His love. So embarrassing.
Where's that? Yeah.
I'll name you.
Come on.
In his bench.
This has snowman fail.
No, it's not.
Right? Isn't it nice?
No, it didn't. It's a good snowman.
Mommy has to go inside. My hands are already frozen. Yeah, my hands are already frozen.
I want to tell you.
I don't have the right gloves. Uy. Fix your hat.
Ta-da! Oh no. But yeah!
Be careful. Vamos a la gana igual.
Protect me, snowman.
Oh my god, you're smelling some my jacket. Oh my god, that's cold.
I know. You guys need to snow. Yeah!
Take your daddy. She named her no my frosty. That's a snowman fail. Get your daddy.
I will get you for my death! Help!
My hair. That's not fair. Come on.
You ruined my mom's hair!
Get daddy, get daddy.
You take that!
Be careful.
Oh yeah. Take this.
Come on, Bianca. Don't go behind there. I don't see you. Come on. I don't see you. No. That's funny. No. funny.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Oh, yeah, me.
Oh yeah?
Here's me
Yo, Daddy has in the eye. Look at. No, in your face. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him. Get him.
Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy is out.
Yeah.
How dare you?
Take this.
Save us.
Take this.
Go over there. Your hat. Your hat.
That's cool.
Oh yeah. Take this.
Yeah.
Take this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alexandra, put your hat. Hat. Yeah?
No.
¿Dónde se cae el snowman?
Huh?
El snowman. ¿Qué onda, güey?
It looks pretty cool.
Okay. Right here.
I got a good idea so Bianca doesn't cry.
Yeah.
I got a good idea. So.
Say goodbye, snowman. Yeah, but say to the camera.
Bye, snowman.
Bye, guys.